Programming is the language of future. It's an art that cannot be learned just by reading the books. You need to be passionate to learn this. One such super passionate programmer, Rahul Lahoria, is coming up with an amazing training program of 8 weeks. Here you will get to learn programming by building real-life projects with one-to-one mentoring.
Hey, I am Rahul, co-founder and CTO of Mogi App. I have been coding since age 11 and did my MTech in Computer Sciences from IIT Kharagpur. I have been working on artificial intelligence and cloud computing for more than 6 years and also filed 6 patents till now. Since I am very passionate about building awesome talent, I'm very excited to meet you guys.
Hey guys, we are having this 15 days free mean stack training program for beginners. If you are really passionate to become a programmer, this is the right course to join, and it's totally free of cost. After learning this course, you can make a website, you can make a web app, or you can make a mobile app, and you can create your backend servers. In this program, in day 1, we will introduce you to the programming. In day 2, we will teach you the basic concept of JavaScript, CSS and HTML. In short, how a website works and how you can make simple changes and create a simple website for you. In day 3, we will have a look on advanced concept of CSS and we will learn a framework known as Bootstrap. Day 4, we will set up your system for Node.js. Day 5, we will start using Node.js and have a deeper look inside Node.js. Day 6, we will learn a framework which is used over Node.js only, the Express, which is used for making APIs. On day 7, we will learn MongoDB and how you can utilize MongoDB in your APIs by using Node.js and Express. Day 8 and 9, we will learn Angular 2+. Basically, we will learn Angular 8 or whatever latest version of Angular is. On day 10, we will learn about cloud services, how cloud computing happen. We will see like how to create a EC2 machine and how you can set up your EC2 machine. And we will also see S3 and other cloud services which are provided by AWS or Alibaba or any other cloud service provider. Day 11 to day 14, we will have demos over the project which you have created, your own project, by learning concepts which we have learned till now inside this program. Over day 15, we will give you an interview guide, like how you can crack an interview very easily and what should you consider before going to an interview. So this is all about 15 days program. After this, you will be ready for starting your journey as a programmer. And bonus thing, top trainee can join Mogi.io as a salary intern. The trainees who will perform best over this training program will get a chance to work with Mogi.io team.
So grab the opportunity and take your career to next level. Click now on the link given below and register for a free class.